Today we are going to make a calculator using Python. This video is for complete beginners to Python. To make a calculator using Python, we will be using variables, print statement, float statement, input statement, and math symbols. Now you will be asking, what is a variable? A variable is a location where data is stored in Python. You will be learning input, print, float, etc. later on the video. Here, to make a calculator on Python, I had made three variables, num1, op, and num2. The input function allows a user to insert a value into a program. It can be words, it can be numbers. To make it numbers, we will be using float function. The Python float method converts a number stored in a string or integer into a floating point number. That is why we don't use float method in OP variables input. Let's add. To add a number, we will code if OP equal to. OP is the variable we made for operator. Equal to plus, which is addition sign. Then print num1 plus num2. Subtraction. If OP equal to minus, then print num1 minus num2. Multiplication type. If OP equal to something like mul, then print number 1, the multiplication sign, number 2. Division time. Like multiplication, OP equal to div, print num1 slash is the division sign on computer, num2. Now our calculator is ready. Let's run. To run a project, click that run button and click run F5 or click F5 on keyboard and click OK. Now it asked num1 please and I write, operation please and I write, num2 please I write, and the correct result, the full result will be on shorts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.